Dear students, in the last section we have started the topic computing platforms and technologies, and we have seen AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, and Google App Engine. Today we will see Microsoft Azure, Hadoop, Force.com and Salesforce.com, and Microsoft Aneka. So Microsoft Azure is a cloud operating system and a platform for developing application in the cloud. It provides a scalable runtime environment for web application and distributed applications. It is used to build and deploy and manage the applications. Applications in Azure are organized around the concept of roles. There are specific roles, and around that roles the Azure is organized. Currently there are three types of roles: web role, second worker role, and third is virtual machine role. Okay, so the web role is designed to host a web application. Worker role is a more generic container of application, and it is used for workload processing. And virtual machine role provides a virtual environment in which it consists of the virtual hardware, networking and storage. Basically it provides the networking, caching, content delivery and other services. Now next is Hadoop. So the Hadoop is an open source framework that is suited for processing large data set on commodity hardware. Hadoop is an implementation of MapReduce. So the MapReduce is an application programming model developed by Google, and it consists of two operations: map and reduce. Map is used to it transforms and synthesizes the input data provided by the user, and this reduce function reduces the data, means it aggregates the output obtained by the map function, means the output of the map function is given to the reduce function. Hadoop provides the runtime environment, and developers need only provide the input data and specify the map and reduce functions. Yahoo is the sponsor of the Hadoop project, and it is transformed the project into an enterprise ready cloud computing platform for data processing. The features of the Hadoop is it is a distributed storage. It provides distributed processing, means parallel processing, and it supports the MapReduce function. Next is Salesforce. Force.com is a cloud computing platform for developing social enterprise applications, and the platform is the basis for Salesforce.com, which is a software as a service solution for customer relationship management, that is CRM, customer relationship management. This Salesforce.com is used for the CRM. It is an American cloud computing company. Force.com allows developers to create an application by composing the ready to use blocks. It uses the ready to use blocks, and it creates the applications and complete set of components supporting all the activities of an enterprise are available in this, and it is also possible to develop the components, and you can add that components, or you can integrate that components into the app exchange into your applications. The features of the Salesforce.com is it provides the platform as a service. It is used to develop, deploy applications which are fast, scalable and secure. It is used to store the data like RDBMS, that is relational database management system, in which the data is organized into rows and columns. Okay, this is force.com, which is basically used for CRM. Next is Manjrasoft Aneka. Aneka is a platform and a framework for developing distributed applications on the cloud. It is a cloud application platform for rapid creation of scalable application and their deployment on various types of clouds. It supports collection of programming abstraction for developing the applications and distributor runtime environment. Developer can choose different abstractions to design their application like task, distributed threads and MapReduce. It basically provides the service oriented architectures. The service oriented architecture of the runtime has a great degree of flexibility, and this services manages most of the activities happening at runtime like scheduling, then execution, accounting, billing, storage and quality of service. Features of Manjrasoft Aneka is it combines the multiple virtual machines, it supports the multiple programming languages and multiple applications run in single Aneka. The Aneka mostly fall into the three major market segment identified in the reference model, that is IaaS, infrastructure as a service, PaaS, platform as a service and SaaS, software as a service. So this Manjrasoft Aneka provides all this reference model. Thank you.